My name is Paisley Bird, and I am a photographer. I will be showcasing my fashion photography. So I met a friend in high school. She was interested in it as well. So we took high school classes together, starting in just beginning, and then we moved to advanced in studio pretty quickly, and we just fell in love with it from there. I was actually just looking the other day from the beginning till now. I think now I have a more clear understanding of what kind of photo that I want, and I'm able to recognize what's good and what's bad, even to the finest minute details. So I don't really have a specific favorite. I mean, there's always the famous fashion photographers that you see in fashion magazines, but also I think music can influence one's thoughts and emotions, but I take it from everything, actually. I'm actually kind of taking it one day at a time. Before if I have my own studio one day or whatever I do in the future, I'd like to be able to learn as much as possible. I don't want to rush into it. It always, I think, goes back to being able to really be able to create and direct my own fashion shoot or a fashion editorial or something like that. I'm always thinking of ideas. I also have my friends and my family, especially my husband, who's always supporting me. So I have good influence around me, and I'm always just trying to make sure I have a positive outlook. You can find it at my website, which is paisleybirdproductions.com, and it also has a link to my Facebook page and other various pages.